Introducing Source Bluetooth Color Control Landscape Lighting. Designed for you, the professional installer. No need for expensive custom power supplies, fixtures, or time-consuming and confusing technology. Experience simple programming, robust features, deep saturated colors, and the easiest cloud-based program transfer for your customers. Products include Capstone, Wall Wash, Spotlight, and Pathlight modules, all manufactured of durable die-cast brass and supplied with our heavy-duty brass insert quick link stake. If you need Pathlights, you can retrofit your existing fixtures or install our no-glare modules in our full range of bronze Pathlights. Range extenders guarantee the range and communication. Delight your customers with a proven solution while saving time and money. Color when you want it, white when you don't.